Hello students, our topic subject verb agreement was going on. Dear students, in last two videos we have discussed some rules of subject verb agreement. In this video we discuss some more rules related to subject verb agreement. Okay dear students, rule number 1 to 8 has been completed. Now rule number 6 is rule number 9. When the subject is a collective noun thought of as one whole, we use a singular verb. In these examples, the student council is meeting on Wednesday. Council is a collective noun, and in the second example, the Indian army also a collective noun, so we will use a singular verb after that. Okay. However, if we speak of the individuals that make up the collective noun, the plural verb is used. In that condition, when we talk about the individuals, when voting for the head boy, the student council were in disagreement. Here we are using were because the student council's disagreement is different by the person, by the students. Okay, so we will use plural verb in this example. Okay dear students, next rule is rule number 10. When we use expressions such as with, together with, including, accompanied by, in addition to, or as well as, it does not change the number of this subject. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular, and if the subject is plural, the verb used is plural. Like that, the actor accompanied by, here the word we are using accompanied by, his wife is traveling to India. According to rule, dear students, in this sentence the word is accompanied by, so we will use singular verb because it's followed by his wife, that is singular. All of the answers including yours, in this sentence yours is in plural condition, so we will use plural verb are. That's clear? It means when we use expressions such as with, together with, including, accompanied by, in addition to, or as well as, it does not change the number of the subject. If the subject is plural, then we use plural verb, and if the subject is singular, then we use singular verb. Okay, clear? Next rule, rule number 11 is when we use nouns which appear plural in form but are singular in meaning, we use the singular verb. Because some nouns that require singular verbs like civics, mathematics, politics, dollars, measures and news, these nouns take a singular verb after them. The news is true. Civics is often found to be listening. Okay? We use a singular verb with sums of money or period of time. 10,000 rupees is too much to pay for this watch. Next example is 5 years was the time he spent to write this book. So dear students, we will use singular verb after these nouns. Okay. Next rule is rule number 12. Some nouns always take the plural form and need the plural verb. Examples are trousers, spectacles, binoculars, etc. Dear students, we often make mistakes in subject verb agreement because we do not recognize the subject correctly. We tend to choose the noun near the verb instead of the correct subject. Okay. So dear students, we should concentrate on subject. In which condition is subject? Subject is in plural condition, then we use plural verb, and the subject is in singular condition, then we use singular verb. Okay. Examples like that: my spectacles are lost. These trousers do not fit. In these examples we will use plural verb because the subject is in plural condition. Okay. So dear students, these rules you should keep it in mind. Next, the number of people using cell phones has gone up. The number has gone up, not the cell phones, so it would be wrong to say the number of people using cell phones have gone up. The train with all its passengers was rushing along the damaged track. The train was rushing, not the passengers, so it would be wrong to say the train with all its passengers were rushing along the damaged track. Okay. Dear students, both examples are differ. Okay. Next, the quality of the apples was poor. In this sentence we are talking about the quality, not of the apples. The quality of the apples was poor. The quality was poor, not the apples. So it would be wrong to say the quality of the apples were poor. It will be wrong. So you should keep in your mind that according to subject we will use main verb or helping verb. Dear students, now you can solve exercise of subject verb agreement. This exercise is according to your all rules which you have learned. Okay.